Ever wondered how a ballpark stays in top shape for every game? The secret lies in the hands of the dedicated Padres Ballpark Operations team. Led by the experienced Ken Kawachi, this team ensures that Petco Park remains a premier venue for fans and players alike. With 27 years of experience, Ken has seen the evolution of operations management, facing new challenges with each passing season. As the complexity of projects grew, Ken needed a more efficient way to manage tasks and track progress. The old project management tools and spreadsheets were no longer cutting it, making it hard to keep up with the fast-paced demands. Enter ClickUp, the game changer that transformed how the Padres manage their operations. With ClickUp, the team can now track projects and budgets with a single click, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Meetings have become more streamlined, with updates organized and accessible to everyone in the organization. Collaboration has reached new heights, empowering employees to work together more effectively and boost productivity. Thanks to ClickUp, the Padres are not just hitting home runs on the field but also in the office, building a brighter future for Petco Park.